Alright, so this is my first unboxing video. This is the Nexus 6P white color 64 GB version. Um, I got it today. I think I ordered it last week, and it said that, and it actually got delivered 4 or 5 days before what it was supposed to, and what it was showing when I ordered it. Okay, let's open it now. Alright, it comes off now. It's a quick start guide, I think. Shows you where all the ports are, the power button, the volume, and all that stuff. That's the power brick. And that is the longer USB-C to USB-C cable that plugs in right here. And this is the phone that I've been waiting for. Let's put it aside for a while. What else does it have? Okay, that's the Google Play Music for 90 days free trial. And then there is the SIM tool here, right here. And then this is the safety plus warranty. Okay. And this is the standard USB to USB-C, or you can call it USB-A to USB-C, so that you can use it with your existing adapters. Let's take the plastic off. Okay. And it slides out like that. You can see the white one. I actually ordered it because I liked the contrast between the black for this camera and the white color over here, and I actually like the chamfered edges. I think it's more shiny on the white one compared to the aluminum or the graphite one. And I haven't seen many videos online showing the white one, actually, the unboxing of the white one. And as I've seen in many more videos, I think this is plastic for all the antennas and everything, and this is the fingerprint sensor there. I think there's a microphone there, the camera, the two flash, and then I think there's also laser autofocus there, the volume rocker button, the power button up there, and I think this is the SIM tray over here. Let's get it open. We'll see. I actually don't have a nano SIM over here, so I will not be able to power it up right now. But I just want to see the inside of this SIM tray. Okay, so that's how it looks, the SIM tray. Let me put it back. Alright, I'll let you all take a look all the way around so you can see the headphone jack on the top. And then I really like the shiny chamfered edges over there. The Nexus logo back there, and the Huawei logo on the bottom. It's nicely done. And then that's the USB-C charging port. It supports quick charge, but I don't know. I think it doesn't support the Qualcomm quick charge. Okay, so that's a quick unboxing. Thank you.